Hey, hey, good morning. I had to look and see what time it is. It is Shawnee with Stronger with Shawnee. I hope that you all are having a great day. I am. I'm not going to be long. I decided I wanted to freestyle this, but it's a very important topic. It is Think Ahead Thursday. And today is a day where I normally talk about planning ahead for your future as a licensed life insurance professional. I like to include that on Stronger with Shawnee because that is being stronger. We are here to be stronger with our mind, our body, and our spirit. So, being prepared for the future is part, or your financial future is part of being strong. So, listen, I watched this show called Beyond the Gates. Have you guys heard of it? I started watching it because my girlfriend had a part in it. She married this couple. This man left his wife of so many years, like I don't know, they're probably my age, and he left his wife for his daughter's best friend. Crazy. Y'all used to watch like All My Children in General Hospital. Well, this is a black cast, mostly black cast. There are some other there are some white people in it, but it's just hilarious. It's funny, and it just is something to do. Anyway, Bill leaves his wife Danny, that they've been married for many years, have two grown children together. He leaves his wife for a younger girl, Haley, who is his daughter's age. Okay. Anyway, he leaves Danny for Haley. Okay. Bill has a stroke. And it's just really has a stroke. And after the stroke, he can't move his hand, he can't walk right or whatever. But there's a scene, he's calling his life insurance agent, right? Hey, give me $10 million. I want to get a $10 million policy and I want Haley to be the sole beneficiary. This is because he's trying to make sure that if anything should happen to him, if he should die, that his new young wife and the baby, she ain't really pregnant, but she's lying, saying she's pregnant anyway. The baby that he thinks that she has, they're going to be covered if something happens to him. So I was looking at that. I was like, he ain't getting no insurance. Like he is not going to get any insurance, and he just had a stroke. Are you kidding me? But that's TV, right? But I'm here to talk real life. You cannot wait until something like that happens to you. You can't wait until you have a stroke and then decide, oh, I want to take out a $10 million policy because uh, I want to make sure my family is taken care of. This is the truth. If you have a stroke, it's going to be like a 1 or 2 year waiting period, which you may not even be here in that amount of time before you can get any insurance. No legitimate life insurance company, no reputable life insurance company is going to cover someone who just had a stroke. So, just something for you to think about, right? Because if you don't have life insurance and you're like Bill, who's married this younger, fine woman and left his old, beautiful wife for this young girl, it happens, right? But whatever your situation is, if you are my age, 56, and you don't have coverage, you don't have coverage for your family. You want to. I talked about this before. The family has to pass the hat. Like you don't want that, right? So get some life insurance. Make sure that your family is protected. It's not about you. And if you've had a stroke or if you have high blood pressure or diabetes, that doesn't mean that you can't get any coverage. If you've had a stroke and it's been a few years, you can still get coverage. If you have high blood pressure and it's under control, diabetes, certain types are not covered. But if you just, got diabetes because you're older and you um, just that just might be something that you've picked. It happens. You get older and stuff happens. You still may be able to get covered. So that is my um, that is my topic for today. The think ahead with Shawnee post for today. Don't wait like Bill until you've had a stroke and try to get some life insurance for your fine young wife because it ain't gonna happen. It's just not. Anyway, I love you guys. I didn't want to be long. I hope that you have an amazing day. God bless. And I know how to turn this off now. I'm getting better. Bye.